Hey guys, I'm Kent and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to work on the headlight on the Honda SCL500. One of the headlights that I want to put on more than any is the Baja light that Steady Garage put on their Triverse project. I was talking with Steady. Chimera Engineering is working on putting that headlight into production. It probably won't be until later in this year, maybe sometime in October. So hope to actually get that headlight at some point, but until then figured I'd try out a few different options. So this being a Scrambler, the idea of a cage on front of the headlight makes a lot of sense from, well, practical if you're actually riding this thing off-road, which I'm really not. But visually, as far as tying it into that Scrambler look, I think a cage in the front would look good. So lots of different options available. I ordered from WeBike a product from G-Craft, which I've got a lot of other G-Craft products and other bikes, and it's a pretty high quality, or the company puts out pretty high quality products. So quick unboxing, this should be a very easy install. It really should just be, I don't know, 4 or 8 bolts total in getting this on, but wanted to show you guys what comes in the box, how it installs, and what it looks like. And then additionally, stick around to the end because I'm also going to do a giveaway from Super Clean. Super Clean has done a great job keeping my garage stocked with cleaning supplies for the last few years, and every now and then they offer to let me give away a set of their products to one of the viewers. So stick around to the end of the video to see how you can win one of their gift boxes. Okay, so here's the package. Again, pretty straightforward. The cage itself is this aluminum color, and then the 4 brackets that hold it on the side of the headlight are black. But you know, all the G-Craft stuff usually pretty high quality. Anyway, it looks like there's actually quite a few bolts and nuts. I guess there's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8 holding the brackets, and then 4 holding it to the headlight. But anyway, not much of an unboxing. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, super light being aluminum. It has laser engraving that says G-Craft. You know, for what it's worth, and I'm not a fan of copycats, but I did see an almost identical product on Amazon from some Chinese seller that had the same design and at about half the cost, or maybe less. Given how simple this is, I don't think a knockoff would actually be any less functional. And I'm not going to link to it because, again, not a proponent of fakes, but if you were so inclined, I think Amazon, or a seller on Amazon, has a knockoff that is going to look pretty similar to this. Plus it's all black, so if that's the look that you're going for, may actually be more to your liking. But yeah, there's 4 ears to hold on to, spacers, and looks like some bolts and washers and nuts. Let's get this on the bike. Okay, so the kit comes with instructions. They're in Japanese, but it's obvious how this assembles. On the outside, there's a smaller bolt that goes through a washer, then through the bracket, and these ears are self-threaded. So using an M3 Allen key, you thread these on, and then there's this longer bolt that will go through the bottom part of the bracket, a spacer, and into the headlight. And I'm not going to cinch these down all the way until we get it mounted on the bike. It looks like there's a little bit of lateral play here in the holes just to make sure that the spacing is good. So I'm going to keep it so that we can move it around a little bit until we've got the final positioning. All right, now that I've got all 4 of the bolts going into the headlight secured, I'm going to go ahead and finish tightening up the ones that connect the ears to the front plate. All right, so super easy install, and this was the look that I'm going for. It looks as good as it did in the product photos, and I think it completes the look of at least the headlight against this Scrambler build. again, I'm interested in trying out that Chimera engineering light later this year, but until then, I think this is going to hold me over. So I'll link to this product in the description below. And if you're interested in winning the super clean products, leave me a comment below. Let me know that you're interested in winning, for one, but then two, what you would clean with the super clean products if you were to win. I'll respond to one of the comments randomly, letting you know that you won and how to get a hold of me. And then actually Super Clean will be drop shipping those products to you directly. So I'll choose a winner within a week of having posted this video. And anyway, yeah, thank you for the viewership, and Super Clean, thank you for helping sponsor the channel. So I still have a lot of videos yet to come on this build. Every time I add a couple of things, it makes me think of a couple more things that I'd like to do. So I'm excited about it. I hope you guys stay tuned. Thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and keep on building.